Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, boys, we are gonna be cleaning the inside of this 2004 STI. Now we're not gonna do a normal cleaning on this STI. We're gonna try and do as much as a detailed clean as we can. As you guys can see, the car is just extremely dirty. I have honestly slacked a little bit on keeping her clean, boys. Right, now I got some of the stuff that we're going to be using today right here, boys. As you guys can see, we have some microfiber towels, some Chemical Guys products, and some Adams polishes. It's honestly the best thing in the world, boys, to use while cleaning your interior. It is by Chemical Guys. It is around like $10 or $15 depending where you get it. I get them at Walmart just because they're a little bit cheaper, but if you go to their website, they're listed at around $11 or $15. But I did went ahead and got some Adams polishes, ordered neutralizer. So we're gonna be trying this out today, boys. Hopefully it works. And then obviously for the whole interior, we're just gonna be using this total interior cleaner by Chemical Guys. I went ahead and got a new bottle as well, just because we're not gonna be able to use this amount for the whole car. And to finish it off, once we're done cleaning the whole dashboard and interior, we're just gonna apply some VRP. This is just basically going to be a coating that's going to not only help it look a little shinier, but protect it from all the UV light that we get. But yeah, boys, let's just go ahead and get straight to it. To start with all of this, what we're gonna do first is we're just gonna go ahead and take all the trash out. Once we take care of all the trash, boys, I think I'm just gonna get all the clothes and things that I'm gonna save aside. Once we do that, that's when we're gonna start tearing off the interior. We're gonna take care of the floor mats, the actual carpet. We're gonna take out the front passenger seat, the rear seats. We're just gonna try and clean this car as much as we can. Like I said, this car has seen better days in the interior, and we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that today. Now, I've honestly been slacking, boys. If I was being honest, every time I decide to light a joint or a blunt, I end up just getting this whole car dirty again. But things are gonna change now that I'm probably gonna be getting a beater, so we're gonna try and keep this SUBI as clean as possible. All right, boys, now that we got most of the interior stuff out, what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna start removing the seats. I don't want to vacuum while the seats are here, just because I feel like I'll be able to get like a little bit more access down there and around the little corners. So like I said, we're gonna start off taking the seats. We're gonna start off with this one right here. It's really simple. We're just gonna take out a bolt right here and another bolt right here. So it's gonna be a 12mm bolt. There's gonna be, like I said, one here and one there. So let's just go ahead and take those out. We have the second one out now, so we're just gonna put these on the side just to make sure we don't lose any of them. And now this seat should just come right off. There we go. We're just gonna lay this against the wall. All right, now we're gonna take off this seat, take off another 12mm bolt. There's gonna be 3 this time, 3 or 4. So we got one here, one there, and one here. All right, so we got all 3 bolts now. I'm just gonna set them aside so that we don't lose these as well. And then with this seat, all we're gonna do is we're gonna move the seat belts out of the way, and then we're gonna basically lift it up so that it unhooks from here, here, and here. And just like that, we took off another piece of the interior, boys. It's that simple. All right, so right now that we got that off, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to the front seats. Now, I never done the front seats, so it might take me a little longer to figure out, but this is honestly how the interior of an STI looks, boys. It's really nice to see how everything looks once you start ripping things apart. For example, if I ever decide to get a roll cage, this is how it's probably gonna go in, or look. It's just really nice to see how they hide all of these things that you guys never get to see. But yeah, like I said, right now we just took care of this section. Now we're gonna move on to the front. Now with the front, we're gonna take off a bolt here, a bolt there, and then there's another bolt in the back, I believe, which is gonna be that one and that one right there. So let's go ahead and take those out. Just like that, we got our last bolt out. Now you don't want to just go ahead and start pulling it out because there is still a sensor, I believe, under the seat. So let's go ahead and try and see if we can unclip that from the back. I don't know why I just closed the door. So as you guys can see, there's two sensors actually connected here. Shout out to Aisha for getting me a Red Bull. What do you think? Look inside.
I saw the picture you sent me. It looked cool.
I left you that seat so you can try and get it on your own. So good luck. Alright boys, we ended up taking everything out of the interior now. Now the next thing that I do want to do, just to make sure we get every single thing, is we're going to be taking out this middle console. Now in the previous video I did show you guys how to do that. It's going to be really simple. What you're going to do is you're just going to lift this up. You're going to remove those two bolts that are right there. And then we're just going to pry it out, alright? Bolts that are going to be in here. It shouldn't be that hard. Just to take these two off and then go from there.
It takes the whole thing out. And
But like once you take it out, there's going to be two sensors in here too. So look, I'm going to put the e-brake down so we can work with it a little more. Hopefully she doesn't start rolling. But you're just going to pry it up. Look, you still got to be gentle with her. So ahí está uno. I'll show you, look. See this? Take it off. Then back here, take that off.
Oh, so there's three.
There's three, yeah. Just put that right back up. And then this, you're just gonna find it, but you gotta push it and then take it out. This one might take me a little longer. Alright, so we got the middle console out. Now we're gonna take this one out.
Take that out? Oh, well, that was easier than expected.
I don't want to take.
You have to
should
take
I?
this button out. Look.
Should I take it out?
You have to take this out.
All right.
Should I put this out there with the seat?
Did you say?
Are my pants going to get rusty? Well, you taken this out before?
Yeah.
Really?
Then we got everything inside the interior out. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna either sweep or vacuum it. So what I'm gonna probably do is I'm just gonna vacuum all the big stuff, and then I do have this special tool that we're gonna be using today. This is from Chemical Guys, if I'm not mistaken. But this is supposed to be something to help us out with all the hair.
Ooh.
And it does do it, right?
Yeah, can I do that?
So we're gonna vacuum first, and then we'll do this to the entire car, and then we'll vacuum it again.
Okay, and then you're gonna wipe this down?
Yeah, we're gonna clean everything.
With the disinfecting wipes?
Yes, ma'am. We just got done taking everything apart of the interior. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start vacuuming the inside. While Aisha vacuums, boys, what I am gonna be doing, see, these things have seen better days. So yeah, while Aisha vacuums the inside of the SUBI, I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of the center console. Once we're done with the center console, we're gonna vacuum the seats, spray them down with this total interior cleaner, and then we're gonna take inside the floor mat.
Oh, vacuum those two now?
Yeah, we're gonna vacuum these, and then we're gonna take these inside and then just scrub them down with Dawn soap and water, and then these should be looking brand new. But let's get straight to it. Now we just got done cleaning the entire car with this total interior by Chemical Guys. Right now what we're gonna do to remove all that nasty odor is we're gonna be using Adam's odor neutralizer. Once we're done spraying the whole car and seats with this down, we're just gonna go ahead and clean our windows with this Adam's Polishes Glass Cleaner. And after we're done cleaning our windows, we should be almost done. All we gotta do is just start putting everything back. The interior is all done now. As you guys can see, she is looking spotless. We went ahead and also did the windows like I mentioned, and you guys can easily tell the difference now. But I honestly never seen the SUBI this clean on the inside. I do intend on making another video on how to detail the SUBI on the outside, but we're gonna have to wait for better, warmer weather. So while that gets here, I decided we should have just done the interior. Like I said, we did the back seats, the front seats, the floor mats are all done. The windows, the interior, the dash, the center console, everything is perfect now, boys. Yeah, boys, as you guys can see, it was a really simple process. Honestly, it didn't take that long. It's just that all you gotta do is actually do it. These are all the tools that I use in this video, and as you guys can see, the SUBI was a mess, and now it is stupid clean. I don't know if I should say that on YouTube, but it is clean now, boys. Honestly, look at her. I'm impressed, boys. We did this on our own with no help.
I helped.
But Aisha's help. But yeah, boys, we're just gonna start putting everything back. SUBI is now back in one piece. I don't know if you guys are able to see it because of how dark it got, but everything's in one piece. It was honestly a really simple process. I had nothing better to do, so I decided to make a video on how I clean my interior. I am gonna go cruising with some boys, so that's probably gonna be it for today's, boys. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below another thing that you guys would like me to do on the SUBI. Like I said, I was looking forward to doing this video for a long time. I'm still going to do the outside engine bay and the wheel compartment. But as always, stay tuned.